I think the most important decision you're probably going to make if you're in college is who you surround yourself with, because you become like the people you surround yourself with.
Have you ever delayed a decision so long that not deciding became the decision? And somehow that feels worse than choosing wrong. Indecision is still a decision. If making decisions feels heavy, stressful, or paralyzing, there's nothing wrong with you. Most people don't struggle because they're bad decision makers. They struggle because their mind is overloaded and their nervous system is rushed. In this video, I'll show you a dependable way to take the right decision in life. Not perfectly, but calmly, clearly, and with far less regret. And one part of this process might surprise you, because it starts with admitting something most people avoid: the real problem with decisions. Here's the hidden truth. Bad decisions rarely come from lack of intelligence. They come from emotional pressure, fear of disappointing others, urgency that isn't real. When your body feels unsafe, your brain looks for relief, not truth. That's why rushed decisions feel wrong later. So before we talk about what to choose, we need to talk about how your body feels while choosing. Step 1. Admit this first. The first step to taking the right decision is simple but uncomfortable. Admit that you don't have clarity yet. Not, "I'm confused, something is wrong with me," but "I don't have enough calm information yet." This removes fake urgency and gives your nervous system permission to slow down. Most regrets don't come from wrong choices. They come from choices made while emotionally flooded. Step 2. Separate fear from fact. Ask yourself 2 questions. What do I know for sure? And what am I afraid might happen? Write them separately. Fear sounds loud, dramatic, and urgent. Facts are usually quiet and boring. The right decision almost always lives closer to the facts. Step 3. Zoom out, not in. When you overthink, you zoom in too close. Instead, ask, will this matter in 6 months? Will I regret avoiding this more than trying? Zooming out reduces emotional intensity and brings clarity. Clarity doesn't come from thinking harder. It comes from perspective. Step 4. Use the safe direction rule. Instead of asking, what's the perfect decision? Ask, what decision moves me towards safety, growth, or peace? Right decisions usually feel calmer, not exciting. Grounded, not dramatic. Chaos feels exciting. Correct decisions feel quietly relieving. Step 5. Remove other people's voices. Many bad decisions are made to prove something, avoid judgment, or meet expectations. Ask, if no one had an opinion, what would I choose? This question reveals your truth fast. Step 6. Decide, then support yourself. Once you decide, stop re-putting the decision on trial. Say, I made the best decision I could with the information and energy I had. Self-trust grows after decisions, not before them. Why this method works? This approach works because it calms your nervous system, reduces regret-based thinking, and builds consistency and self-trust. You stop looking for perfect answers and start building dependable clarity. That's how confident people make decisions, not because they're sure, but because they're grounded. You don't need to make the perfect decision. You need to make a calm one. Start with admitting you need space, not pressure. If this helped, comment "clear" below. Subscribe to Dependable Routines for calm, science-backed ways to think, choose, and live better.